the sleeves is longer, or one of my arms is shorter. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Ann, and I've been gone for a little bit. I kept grandkids last week and got way behind on everything. Today I am doing a Wantable unboxing. I'll put in the description box how the discount works on that. Also, I'll have my discount code below if you want to try it out for the first time. This time I have a new stylist, Amber, and she sent me some jeans that I had gotten before, but that were, I don't remember if they were too big or too small, but we're going to try them again. Not sure which ones. Oh, I think it's the high-rise skinny with buttonfly and Pippa. That sounds kind of familiar. But let's see what I got in this box. First thing is this. Oh, look at the sleeves on this sweater. It's a sweater. It is very, very thin. It's by Hemius. I've never heard of that brand, but it is super thin. You will definitely have to, I don't know if you can tell, very loose knit. I like it. It's very cute. It's got the big Dolan sleeves. It's got a V-neck, and then it's got the band at the bottom, and it's short. So we'll see about that. Next, this is from Democracy, and it is just a little tee. It's got the red and orange paisley, and then it's got the tie front on the side. So there's that, and then this looks like something I got out of my Wantable Activated. This is by Task. So I think this, I know I've gotten Task before, T-A-S-C. And this is, it's cute, but I think I've already sent this exact one back. I really think I have. Okay, and this is the Wantable brand. Okay, it's a cold shoulder, black and white stripe. It's cute, just a tee. Oh wow. Okay, cardigan, short cardigan. Color block, blue, black, gray. This is, again, a Wantable brand. It's cute. Short, feels good. Okay, and then I got two pairs of jeans. This one is by Vigos. It's got some destruction on the front. It's got the finished out hem. I like these. Authentic stretch, made with high stretch fabrication that slims and enhances your shape. Excellent recovery and will retain form over time. I think these are cute. I think they're really cute, and I like the distressing. As much as I've tried on distressed jeans with all these boxes, I've never gotten any. I've never liked, they've either been too distressed, too tight, too big, something. And then these are the ones we're trying again. These are the high-rise skinny with buttonfly and Pippa. There we go. Vintage Luxe. I'm not sure how I feel about button flies, but I think these are cute. I have not, maybe it's the Vigos I've gotten before. This too has some distressing and has the raw edge hem. We'll see. That is it. Let me go try on and see what we think. All right. First, we have the blouson, I don't know how you say that, blouson sleeve print tie front knit top in tomato. size small, and it's on sale for $20. I don't like it. It's big. It doesn't fit me right. I just don't really like it. It does have the puffy sleeves, and here's the print on it. I don't think it doesn't look or feel that great. It is $20, if I didn't already say that. These are the Jagger Destructed Super Skinny Medium Wash, size 27 by Vigos, and they are $74. I like these. I like the distressing. This is not a bad. It's kind of under the knee, and my knee's not going to stick out. Plus, it's not that open. But I think these are really cute. There's the back and the pockets. I like the jeans. I'm gonna have to think on the jeans, but the top is a no. And I'll be back. This is the striped top with slit sleeve, black and white, size small, and it's by Wantable, and it's $46. It's fine. It's cute. It's really soft. It feels really good. I got one almost identical in style in my last Stitch Fix, but it was white with blue stripes with the slit sleeves. I would consider keeping this as just some little casual thing to throw on, but not for $46. But I think it's cute. There's that. Okay, this top is the 3/4 dolman sleeve slub sweater knit top in white, size 2 to 4, and I requested it. It is $44. This is super sheer, and so I did put a little cami under it. It's not the right cami, it's just a little, it's my Time and True, it's from Time and True. Just so I could show this to you. It's just not right on me for, I don't know why. I can't tell you why, but I don't like it. I'll show you the back of these jeans. I like these jeans. These are the high-rise skinny with button fly in Peppa, size 4 by Kinsey. And these are $58. I like these. Oops. I like these more than I thought I would. They're really cute. They feel really good. They do have the distressing at the knee. These are $58, if I didn't already say that. I'm gonna watch this back and see which ones I like better. The others were $74, these are $58, so that's gonna factor in. I don't usually like a button fly, but we'll see. Got a couple more to show you, so I will be right back. All right, I'm just gonna show you this one really quick. This is the Nola Tank in True Blue, size small, $38 by Task. Pretty sure I got this, maybe this exact top in my Wantable Active Edit, which I haven't shown yet. Alrighty, here's the last thing, and this is the short color block cardigan, gray, blue, black, size 2 to 4 by W by Wantable, $69. I think it's where it hits me. It's just not. I like the colors. The sleeves is longer. One of my arms is shorter. Really? But I don't like this. It does have pockets in the front. I just put a Loft t-shirt underneath it just to show you. It feels really good. It's very soft. It's a no. So it's between the two jeans. And I'll be back with a really quick wrap up. I'm not gonna go through the tops because I'm not gonna keep any of them. I would like some feedback on which one of these jeans, because I'm going to keep one pair. And then I think I'm gonna be out of the jeans business for a while, because right now I own more jeans than I've ever owned in my life, but I liked both of them. I'm surprised I liked the button fly, and it was super easy to button and unbutton. In fact, this button I had a lot of trouble with. It's just pretty tight, but I like these two. I love them both. Let me know what you think, and I am going to watch the video back and decide then, because it's amazing how many times I think I like something or don't like something, and then I watch the video. Anyway, that is it for this Wantable style unboxing. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think about the jeans. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.